Owayesakuba nguMongameli weli umnumzana Thabo Mbeki uthi lenkomfa inika ithuba kubathunywa kuba baze ngaphambili nezisombululo kumba ukuba semngciphekweni kwebhodi zilawula unyulo kwihlabathi ngenxa yokudodobala kwenkqubo yedemokhrasi.
It provides us with an opportunity to discuss critically the external vulnerabilities of the AMBs in the face of deteriorating democratic standards and to find innovative ways to safeguard these bodies. It gives us the opportunity to explore alternative constructive mechanisms to complement what already exists in various EMB platforms and other entities, the better to deal with the challenges of democratic recession.
Uye wabalula izinto ezenza ukuba inkqubo yedemokhrasi iqhwalele ngasemva kumanye amazwe nokubangelwa kungathembeki kwenkqubo yokusingathwa konyulo.
And the major drivers of regression are characterized in the report as including the rise of the number of illiberal and populist parties in government, including the increasing levels of societal and political polarization, combined with low levels of support for democracy.
Uthi nawo uMzantsi Afrika ujikajikana nombuzo ukuba zeziphi inguqu ekufuneka zenziwe ukuqinisekisa ulawulo lwabantu.
The South African National Assembly is discussing an amendment to our electoral law. They are sitting not many streets away from here. And once again, our lawmakers, even as they discuss particular details in the law, in fact, are still grappling with the same question. What system should be put in place to give concrete expression to the vision that the people shall govern?
Uthi iibhodi zilawula unyulo zinoxanduva lokuqinisekisa ukuba ubani uvota ngokukhululekileyo.
I'm convinced that the MBs meeting at this AWEB conference, international conference, must formulate and communicate their collective views about the major issues which attend the challenge to ensure that the people shall govern, and therefore that the democratic recession must be defeated.
Lenkomfa iyaqhuba.